Hey y'all, so it's Vlogmas day 9, and don't expect to see me every day because I never do right. Normally I do, like, when I go home I vlog every day that I'm home, and I'm only going home for a few days this year, so I might vlog 4 days straight. But it is snowing in Virginia. Happy Sunday. Smile for me. So we came out to Walmart really quick this morning, and it was a zoo out there. And I don't know if y'all could tell that it's snowing, but we're at the gas station real quick. Sean came to get his coffee, and we're gonna go home, probably cook some breakfast and relax and enjoy the snow falling. They said we're expecting about 3 to 5 inches. So last time it snowed, it didn't stick. That was earlier this week. So I don't know, like, we have to be careful when we go home because it's around the same time that we moved here last year, around New Year's, and it was crazy. So like, post was closed, it was just snowing everywhere. It delayed us moving in our house, getting our furniture and all of that. So snow sometimes here is a little more than, I don't know, it's about the same as in Kansas, I would say. But here, like with school closings, they close the schools really fast here. So, but I will hit y'all up later when we get back home and the kids are up and the nags are out of their eyes. So until then, smile for me. Is that a good hill? You gotta get closer. That's a lot of snow. You're going slow.
I slipped down. Let's go.
Oh, they riding down the hill right there?
Wow.
Huh?
You gotta move it back.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to make a snowman, but I can't.
Go ahead, you gotta roll it. Go ahead, try it, Shirai. Oh!
Yeah, bad idea.
Yeah, I don't know why you did that.
Too big. That's why it won't work. Mine was super fast. Too big and heavy.
You're gonna have to put air in it in a second. Remember, I'll just bring it downstairs.
It's too big and heavy. That's why it won't work.
He getting you. Get him, Shirai. Go ahead, try to build a snowman. If you build it, try to build it over here. You got to get a lot of snow.
Yeah. Guys, help me build a snowman.
When it's snowing, it's so quiet and peaceful. Look at this. They said 3 to 5 inches. So I think we are at the 5+ inches. The kids went outside earlier, but yeah, this is from our front porch. So look at that. You can kind of gauge what's going on. They didn't move their car all morning. That looks like 10 inches. They lie when they say 3 to 5. So peaceful outside though.
I don't even know what you mean. I just had a sudden desire to.
Nick, the window's foggy.
Well,
Yeah.
is there anything I can do to help you?
If you're serious.
Snow blowing this way. You know.
It's a wonderful lunchtime.
You left some snow inside. Your shoes are freezing.
What do you think about the snow?
Amazing. It's more than last year, I think.
No school tomorrow.
No
Babe in the kitchen, chefing it up.
At least I get to go to PE early.
Cornbread, some red rice. Ooh. Well, it has been a very eventful day. No school and work for me. Well, no school for the kids, no work for me tomorrow. Sean basically will play it by ear. He may have to go in, but the post is operating on a 2-hour delay as of right now. It's like a foot of snow outside, no lie, but I done took my shower. I'm ready for bed. Shirai is back there on the computer. Choo Choo over here hanging out with me. So, Shirai, tell them I love you more than I love this vlog.